Okay, what do you say to Lalabong?
Hi, Lalabong.
Smile.
Smile, ah.
There.
There. Oh, there's Tab. What you're doing, Tab? What?
Studying.
You're what?
Studying.
Studying. What subject are you studying? What?
Language.
Language. Okay. Who's teaching you?
Mama.
Mama? Okay. Now, you say hi to Lalabong kasi I'm gonna send this in a little while.
Louder.
Hi, Lalabong.
Okay. How about your mama? You say hi to Lalabong. Okay? So say hi. Hi! Say hi. Hi. Okay. Then we go to your ate and to your kuya. Let's go look for Seb and Genesis. Are you there, Jen? Okay, I'm taking a video. I'll send it to Lalabong. Say hi to Lalabong.
Hi.
What are you doing also?
Studying.
What subject, anak?
Computer.
Computer? Oh, very good. Okay. I'll stop this first and then you recite your poem for Lalabong, okay?